Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add images in HTML website with Visual Studio Code. So for us to be able to proceed, the first thing that we need to do is to install Visual Studio Code onto your device, and you'll just have to launch it right after. So for us to be able to go ahead and proceed for this one, we need to create a folder here on Visual Studio Code to organize our project. So this folder should contain your HTML file, images, and other assets that you need. So I have actually a sample HTML file already. We're just gonna attach the photo in here. But for us to be able to proceed, let's create the folder by right-clicking in here, click onto new folder, and then we're just gonna name this one project. Right after that, we're gonna go ahead and add inside this our sample HTML code. So we're gonna drag and drop it in here. Let's just click onto move. So you could actually do the same thing of creating a new file in here. You'll just have to click onto new file and then add this onto the specific folder. So since we have added this one in here, let's just go ahead and add a photo as well in here. So for us to be able to add a photo, you could just simply drag and drop the photo here onto the same folder. So as you can see, I've added this one already in here, this specific image, so that it would be easier for us. Let's try to rename this one first. Click onto rename and let's name this image. So it should look something like this right after. Since we have our HTML file already, let's try to open that one in here. So this one is just a sample HTML file with a hello world. Let's try to go ahead and change the code in here so that we could go ahead and call in the image. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and updated the code already in here. And if you have noticed, we have this certain line in here. So this element in here is used to embed an image in the web page. So you'll just need to make sure that here, right after the equals, right after that one, it should go ahead and add the file name. So make sure that it is the same with the file name that we have used onto this one in here. And right after that, since we have updated this, don't forget to save this code. And then to preview this, you're just going to go ahead and click onto your live server in here to check if it has worked. So you'll just have to wait for this one to load at a certain port, and it should go ahead and directly open your web browser, and you could see the photo already added in here. And that is just basically it, how you add an image in HTML website with Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.